Hi, I'm Sidney Preston with Preston's Air Conditioning and Appliances. We're here today to work on two systems. This one here, took it apart, checked it out. It has a bad condenser fan motor, and look at this wire. See how it's burnt? And I'm going to have to pull a new wire for it because that's a risk of electrocution. These are the reasons why you should get your systems checked out. This one over here, I checked it out, and on it had a breaker that was tripped. I took it apart, checked it, and across the capacitor, run capacitor, had a snake that had crawled across it and electrocuted itself and then tripped the breaker. Reset it, checked the freon, everything was fine. These are the reasons why you should get your system checked at least every 6 months, and keep them up to date and cleaned out. And keep, if not, someone could come along, touch this unit, and got electrocuted. Anyway, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video.